Now onto the fuel economy part of the video. Smart claims that this gets 33 miles to the gallon city, 39 highway with a combined of 35. So I'm about to pull over to QT and top off the 8.7 gallon gas tank with premium fuel, take it 50 miles south, turn around, drive 50 miles back, and see how close I can get to the claim almost 40 miles to the gallon for this 2016 Smart Car Prime. Okay, I just topped off with 0.786 gallons. Now I'm about to get on 75 right here. Drive 50 miles south, turn around, drive 50 miles back, and see how close I can get to Smart's claim 39 miles to the gallon highway. I'm going to go ahead and clear out everything. And we're on our way. Okay, we just passed the 50-mile mark and we're averaging 43.6 miles to the gallon. So now we're heading back. We made it back. The car saying that we averaged 42.6 miles to the gallon, and we burnt a half tank of gas. So now I'm about to top it off and see how close I got to Smart's claim 39 miles to the gallon highway mileage. Okay, we went 100 miles divided by 2.2 gallons equal 45.45 miles to the gallon.